I am tired. Today was not good. I feel sad. I want to go home. I just want to be alone. Everything feels heavy today. I don't even have the energy to talk. Why does everything feel so difficult today? This is my home. Home is quiet. I hope Mom is here. I want to rest.
Tom, you are home?
Yes, Mom.
Why are you sad?
Nothing, Mom.
You look tired. Did something happen?
No, I am okay.
Okay, baby. Come on, let's just sit and talk. We'll figure this out together. Sit here for a moment. Tell me everything. Why are you feeling so worried?
School was hard. Oh, Tom, I don't like today.
I'm so sorry. It's okay to feel that way. We'll make tomorrow better, I promise. Tom is sad. I must help him. I have an idea. Hello. Tom is sad today. We need a surprise. Let's make him happy.
Yes, good idea. Tom is strong, but he is a child. We will help him. Let's make a plan, Dapina.
I heard you, Mom. Tom is sad. I want to help now. Let's make surprise.
Good girl, Bub. We make party, small surprise, cake and balloons. Tom will smile again.
Yes, family helps me.
We should do something special, something he will never forget.
Let's make this a beautiful surprise.
Yes.
Maybe a party with cake and decorate.
Let's decorate the room and hide before he comes, Ness. We will surprise him together.
Our little Tom deserves this stuff.
Let's make him smile of right.
Red balloon, blue balloon. Tom likes colors. Good choice.
Tom is sad today. I will make cake. He likes cake. This will help him smile. This is the strawberry cake I made for Tom. Wow, this cake smells so delicious. The aroma is amazing. Tom will be so happy to see this. He'll be surprised to take. This strawberry cake is just perfect for him. I can't wait to see his face light up, and every bite will make him so happy.
Red balloon, blue balloon. Tom likes colors. Good choice.
I feel alone. Nobody knows. Today was bad. I want to sleep. I am very tired. It is very late now. My eyes are closing. I hope tomorrow is better.
Quiet, slow. Do not make noise. Tom is in room.
You will be surprised. It is ready. Everything is ready.
Tom will be happy. Quiet now.
What is happening? I hear music. Why is it dark? I am scared. Mom, di joke ba? I can't see when. Mom, please answer. Do you go? I go everywhere at prom. But no one is here. I'm tired. So tired of searching and...
Wait, Tom is near. We will shout. Yes.
Ready, Nat?
Sha, Pesa.
Oh, breed you.
Oh, wow. What is this? Balloons? Cake? Is this for me?
Wait, Tom is near.
3,
2.
1.
Oh, wow. What is this? Balloons? Cake? Is this for me?
No, no, this isn't for us. This is not our surprise. This is for you, Tom. Only for you. Tom, my son, we made all of this just to see you happy. This party, everything is for your smiles. My son, Tom. Go ahead, Tom. Cut the cake.
Yes, just like this, nice and easy.
Wow, that's perfect. See, this is for you, Tom. A special little surprise. Just
Open it slowly. Let's see what's inside.
everything, all of this, it's for your happiness. Seeing you, our heart's happy too.
Yes, your joy is our celebration.
You know, my dears, when you are happy, our hearts are happy too. Your laughter, your smiles, they fill our lives with joy. Yes.
When you help each other, when you share and care for each other,
More.
being together will be very special.
So remember, my loves, your happiness, your kindness, it makes our hearts shine. And when we all stay together, life becomes beautiful. For more fun family videos and to learn beginner English, don't forget to like and subscribe.